Hey eBay sellers, it's Suzanne A. Wells, and I have something you are going to love. I have put together the ultimate eBay BOLO list, 50 items that sell for $100 or more. Okay, so what is this? It is an organized, printable list of eBay BOLO items that sell for $100 or more. BOLO means be on the lookout. These are your big scores. These items have been posted on the Money Making Monday or $100 sales threads in my Facebook group. Now, these are specific items that have been sold multiple times by different sellers over a period of time, and they are still currently being found. These are not rare, obscure, one of a kind things that you will never find. These are real things coming out of people's homes at this time that other sellers are finding. Now, unfortunately, due to the time involved, it is impossible to show every single high profit BOLO item in a video. Over time, though, I have been paying attention and keeping a record of these items so I could consolidate it into a list and share this information with you. And maybe you don't do Facebook, so you haven't seen these items, or you don't have time to read through all the posts, because on those threads, the Money Making Monday, there's usually between 300 and 400 items posted, and then once a month we do the $100 supersize sales thread, and there are at least 100 items posted there. And with all these posts every week and all these comments and items being shown, it's just too much to keep up with and make into a video every single week. So if you're not on Facebook, or if you just don't have time to go through all of that, I have consolidated the important information for you, and just look at it as an accelerated learning tool. It's going to shorten the learning curve for you. And I know it takes time for you to watch videos and read through Facebook posts. So I have organized this information for you. I've done all the work. Now the list has images, so you can learn what to look for when you're out treasure hunting. Here's a sample of what it looks like. There's an image of the actual item, the name of the item. It may be a specific model number or year made or something very specific about it, and how much it has been selling for. And then notes about the item, maybe if there are shipping concerns, why it's valuable, why people want it, any specific information to help you source better or create a better listing for the item. I have just uploaded this to my premium content library. If you are not a member yet, you can join at the link below and grab this list. It is in the thrift shopping section. And I have other lists in that section as well, so you can get all of them while you're in there. This is a very handy tool so you can be prepared before you walk into a thrift store, garage sale, estate sale. You're going to know some things to look for before you even start. Now, yes, it is in my premium content library. There is a fee to access it. It's $20 a month. But you can join for 1 month just to get this list if you want to, and download as much as you want while you're in there. You also get one-on-one email support with me, so if you have any questions or problems or concerns during that time, feel free to ask. And if you decide not to stay, that's fine. You can come and go as you like. I am not a salesperson. I am a teacher, and I have put together a great tool to help you learn these items so that you can make more money on eBay, because I guarantee you're walking by things that you don't know have value. I also keep things updated and current in the premium content library, because you can't make money if you are looking at old information. So that's going to help you make more money on eBay. Come on over and check it out. Grab the list. There are several different categories. There's no clothing on this list. I have separate lists for that, as you can see here. There's a coffee mug list, discontinued items, medical items, men's clothing brand list, niche item list, and women's clothing brands. And they are all kept updated. The Ultimate BOLO list includes crafts, collectibles, electronics, games, household items, linens, pottery, plush, and a whole bunch of miscellaneous items. It is printable. It shows you images of the exact items so you can learn by pictures. It's categorized and organized. No clothing on this list, so if you're not into that, that's totally fine. And this is going to save you time so you can learn faster. So come on over, check it out. I can't wait for you to see it. It is a masterpiece. And it is the reason I have been visibly absent on YouTube this week, because I have been making this for you. So come grab it, check it out, and let's all make more money on eBay. Thanks for watching and have a profitable and productive day. Bye.